kind of windy Newport. A little ice bath for my ankle. Well, I've been kind of wondering when that was going to happen. Hey look, I did a magic trick. Good morning. It is Monday, and well, today I'm gonna go to my auto class as I usually do. So yeah, I'll see you soon. I'm back here. It's a little windy, but I'm back after class. I stayed after because I needed to catch up on some things because of the things that when I was sick. But now I'm walking home, so yeah, I'll see you back at home. So yeah. Changed and freshened up. So yeah, now I will see you after my art history class. So yeah, hi. I'm back after art class, and yeah, it was just another lecture. Which so yeah, now I'm gonna go home and do some more studying. So yeah, I'll see you back at home. So hey, well, I'm back after a while. I have just been sleeping again because I fell asleep accidentally again, and yeah, now I'm gonna eat dinner. I'm just gonna eat what I have left from the lunch, which is, I don't think I told you. I just ate avocado, eggs, came and some rice, and made just small wraps. But yeah, now I'm gonna go eat that, finish that up, and then I'll see you. Oh hey, morning! It is Tuesday, and well, today I'm gonna go to my cardio and my Pilates, as normal in the morning. So yeah, I will see you soon. So hi, yeah, done after the cardio, Pilates, no, cardio. So now I'll see you after the Pilates. So hi, I'm back after Pilates, and it went surprisingly well, despite my ankle. But anyway, now I will see you back at Luce for the usual, which is food, cleaning, food, shower, and change. Hi, I am back after acting class. Yeah, today went well actually, but yeah. So now I have a bunch of stuff to do at home, so yeah, I'll see you. Hi, I'm back after class. But yeah, so today I'm gonna go, today went well actually. Wouldn't finish everything, but I'm gonna finish everything later. Because I'm gonna work after they have a meeting though, and everybody gets back at 1. So yeah, I'm gonna go home and change and do food. So yeah, I'll see you in a quick bit. Oh hey. Okay, so I am fooded and changed. However, I'm gonna go to the auto building first because I need to do some stuff before. So yeah, I'll see you in a bit. Yeah, so yeah, it's after class. It's after class? Well, kind of. So yeah, I kind of skipped my art class today because I needed to get some stuff done in my auto class, which I think was fine because it's the last class of the semester, which usually aren't that busy. But yeah. So anyhow, now I'm gonna go actually down to Newport because I need to check something for this upcoming Saturday. So yeah, I will see you down in Newport, Georgia. So yeah, hi, I'm currently now down in kind of windy Newport. I will see you soon. So hey, I am now back. I'm having trouble finding I have an easy time finding board rentals, but I'm having trouble finding wetsuit rentals, which is, yeah, that gives away what we're gonna do on Saturday. But yeah, I found a place. It's a little bit farther down the street, but we'll see, because we'll probably just be able to go there, rent the things, and go back here, because yeah, by the pier is the best spot that I know of, anyway. So yeah, I will see you soon when I'm over there. So yeah, I found a good place. It's not cheap, but whatever. We'll figure that out. But anyway, so now we are going to go and so now I'm gonna go back to Huntington. So yeah, I'll see you back up there. Sure, why not? I'll stop by a place. Actually, I won't. No, yes I will actually. I'll stop by the Target that's on Beach Boulevard because I need to shop some stuff. So yeah, I'll see you over there. Damn birds pooing on my car. So hi, well I'm back. And I just been shopping at Target. It's back there. I didn't open the rear seat. But yeah, now I'll see you back home. Might have just realized I forgot my phone on the cart at Target. Oops, I'll see you. I found it. Oh, actually, I've been living here 2 years and been doing that a lot. But that's one of the first times I've actually forgotten my phone here. I've been closed a lot of times, but yeah, first time in 2 years. That's a good record. But anyway, so yeah, now I'm actually gonna check my car because my belt is squealing. I think it's my dry belt that's squealing, which means I'm gonna need to change it soon. Which means I'm probably gonna need to change it soon. But yeah, I'm probably gonna do that next year or next semester because when visitors come next week, I'm not gonna be driving this car that much. So yeah, I'll see you soon. So hi. Morning. It is Thursday, and yeah, I didn't film this morning, but because reasons I forgot. But right now I'm gonna go back home after Pilates. Did some minor cardio today because I didn't do the full like I usually do because I was tired. But anyway, so yeah, now I'll see you back. Morning. Today is Friday, and yesterday I didn't do that much. I just came home and did a bunch of school things, most of which I got done. Yay! But so today. I'm gonna be doing also absolutely nothing because, well, in the beginning anyway, because the morning my foot is still a bit swollen, so I am now going to be just at home resting, and actually I did sleep with the bandage on. It actually decreased the swelling a bit, which is good. So yeah, I am hoping that today it's gonna go down like a lot. Hopefully. But anyway, so yeah, I will see you soon, actually, or I'll see you later in the day. I'm back after a couple of hours, but yeah, because I woke up so late, I skipped lunch, but I'm gonna eat a little snack, and I'm eating the same thing that I usually do, a caprese sandwich, but I did something new. Put just a little bit of marinara sauce on the bottom. And I just mixed that with a little bit of pesto. So we'll see how that is. So yeah, I'll see you soon. So hey, I am a little bored, and also I need some fresh air. So I'm gonna go up on the top of my garage to take some Instagram pictures. Because it freezes. So yeah, I'll see you up there. Done up here. So yeah, I'll see you back down again. And there you go, nice little ice bath for my ankle. So yeah, I'll see you soon. Well, I've been kind of wondering when that was going to happen. I was going to move my surfboard because I was going to chuck it in my car, and I tipped over my White House. But yeah, I was wondering when that was going to happen. So yeah, I'll put that back together quickly. Okay, that's back together. Let's chuck this thing in my car. Okay, and there you go. It's in. So yeah, now I will see you. Probably tomorrow, actually. So yeah, I'll see you. called the WWE because that was a SmackDown. So the one where I flipped forward?
I think so, like on the front.
That was goddamn massive.
That was huge, bro.
Yeah.
That's like 6 feet. Yeah.
Got a little too ballsy on that one.
Hey, I like the effort, bro. Yeah, bro, I'm good.
Oh, take that one.
Go for it. Hey.
Mother. Nope. That was fun. Hey, Caleb, go. Yeah, why? Oh yeah, these are big. Yeah, that too. Yeah. Caleb, go for it. Go. Go for it. Yeah. Gag does it right. All heads up.
Nu är det så lite.
Nej Wilhelm, det är som en skateboarda. Det är som en skateboarda. Lutar man sig bakåt så bra också va? Go now, go Sam, go! Hey! Yeah. Oh shit! That was this close. I almost got swept. It was a really big one too. Caleb, heads up. No, it hang. You want me to taunt you? That's a good one.
Yeah.
Go, 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 go! You almost got it. Heads up, Caleb. Heads up. Heads up. Oh, Jesus. Come on, come on! Whee! Oh, shit! That was big. You okay?
Good thing you fell off. Yeah, I'm good.
Caleb. Aw, shit. Aw, shit. Aw, shit. Aw, shit. feels like it at least. Hey! Here comes one. Oh shit. Oh shit. Ah! Yeah, that would have been bad. In and back, yeah. Come on guys, party wave! Yeah! Kill it! Yeah, party wave! Shit, oh shit. Hang on, hang on. Oh crap. These waves are ruthless.
Holy shit!
There's a big one coming, I think. Oh yeah, heads up, Caleb. Oh! That was a nice slap in the face. These waves are so strong. Ooh. Okay, I'm about at your shoulder, so. Oh crap! Oh, heads up. Oh Jesus! Oh shit! Fuck it, might as well. Heads up. Hey, Caleb. What's worse, these waves or the ones in San Diego? Yeah. They're a lot bigger too. Here's a real one. When you just make it over a wave and just slap this right in the face. What? Caleb. Oh yeah, the tide's on his way and that's why it's so choppy. There's one. There you go. There's one. Let's paddle. Can I go quick? Paddle. Okay, that's good, yeah. Screw down. I saw it. I didn't get it though. There's one. Ride it. let's go, let's go.
Morning, and it's Saturday. We probably saw. We went on surfing. That's big. After that, we all went back home and showered and changed. And now we're in San Oregon eating lunch. And I'll get back to you later. Okay, so done after that. So yeah, now I'm just gonna be in my apartment for a while. So yeah, I'll see you in a bit. Hey look, I did a magic trick. So yeah, my island and my chairs are gone. And yeah, I'm how it's magic. Oh yeah, hi, I'm back. And it's been a while. But anyway, so yeah, now I'm gonna go watch a dance performance. I won't bring my camera. Obviously you're not allowed to film it, so yeah, I will see you. So hi, well, good morning, it is Sunday, and well, today, I'm gonna do some things. So, to explain yesterday, we went to the dance performance. It was really good, by the way, and then we went back here and partied. Yeah, my thing is a bit, yeah, it's a little bit dirty, but I'm gonna clean that. But, so yeah, I'm gonna do that right now. I need to go buy a mop, though. Which I will go to soon. But I'm just gonna clean the general area and do all the floors later tonight. And at 4, I'm going to meet some friends. So, yeah. I will see you when I've done all the general cleaning up outside of there. So, yeah, hi. I'm here, back after Zeta Bros. I didn't find anything... I did not need to buy anything, I just checked at REI for something, but I bought wood, because we are gonna go to have a bonfire later today, in a couple, 2 hours actually. But yeah, now I'm gonna go home and buy now I'm gonna go to Target and buy a mop, and then mop around in my house. So yeah, I'll see you soon. So yeah, seeing this floor is a bit dirty is an understatement, so let's go up and up the mop and see if I can fix that. Okay, there you go, mopped. Now I'm gonna wait for this floor to dry, which is gonna take maybe like 10-15 minutes, and then I'll go do something. So hey, I'm back after a while, but yeah, floor is now mopped. I'll put it back together soon when I get back home. But anyway, so now we're gonna go down and have a bonfire. So yeah, I will see you down on the beach. So hi, I just forgot something. Because I'm pretty sure where I'm gonna have to park, they only take cash. So I'm gonna go pick up my little cash clip. So hey, yeah, as you saw, we just had a bit of a bonfire on the beach. I almost said we had a beach on the bonfire, but whatever. So yeah, and also everything's back to normal. The island is back and the table is like it used to be. So yeah, now I'm gonna make myself dinner. So yeah, I'll see you in a sec. So hey, I'm back and I'm on my way to making dinner. And I'm making actually a taco pasta. Believe it or not, I'm making a weird bolognese as a kind of a try. We should see how it goes. But yeah, I'll get back to you when I'm done. And yeah, this is actually really good. So yeah, that's a good recipe to keep in mind. To summarize this week then, well, it was all really fun. A lot of stressy schoolwork, but man, this is the last classes of the week. As a matter of fact, it's the second to last class of the semester. Holy balls, this time has gone a long time. This semester has gone bleh. You know what I'm trying to say. It's weird. But anyway, so yeah, it was fun. Obviously, we had the big surfing day on Saturday, which was really fun. And then we had the bonfire day, which was also really fun. But yeah. So if you want to see these vlogs, they're uploaded regularly on Mondays. This one's going to be delayed because I am going to be busy tomorrow with... Because A, I've been really busy this week, and B, I'm going to be busy tomorrow because I have a lot of tests. I have a lot of finals. But yeah, it's supposed to be regularly uploaded on Mondays, but it's important that you subscribe and hit the notification bell, because you'll get notified when I upload a video, if it gets delayed for some random reason. Also, leave a like and a comment for the algorithm, and also follow my Instagram, linked in the description, for shenanigans that I might not get on camera, or when I just post random memes. So yeah, I will see you next time. By the way, here is where I put all the stuff.